Okay guys, so you could consider this kind of a football finger food, but Monster's Super Bowl legs are like massive. So I don't know, I don't consider it an appetizer, I consider it a meal. So we got Super Bowl coming, we're going to be doing more barbecuing because we do it all year round. We use our barbecues and our smokers, right?
Absolutely.
All right.
Winter's my favorite by far.
I appreciate you coming over because it was a last minute decision that we decided to throw this together, okay? So let's bring you in and...
Okay, so we're going to take these massive turkey legs. We're going to season them with the World Market Cajun Blackened. Oh, this stuff is so good. Can you guys see all these spices in there? Look at this. That looks yummy.
And yes, we tasted it first. Absolutely.
And lastly, we're going to spritz it with a little honey Jack Daniels because it's game day. Why not?
So basically our design was sweet over here, kick over here.
Yes.
Okay.
This has a nice little after spice I'm loving.
Mm-hmm. And it's got a little saltiness to it too.
Oh yes.
So
agreed.
Oh, man, so good.
Look at this. Look at that. This is going to be so delicious. This is going to make for one amazing snack. So just sprinkle a little on here. Oh yes, I love the seasonings.
Here, let me help you with the seasoning. I'll sprinkle on you because I don't want you to cross-contaminate.
So, again, going with like the last one, we want a good amount of seasoning on here because a lot of it's going to roll off, obviously.
Okay guys, we're talking about how we want to design the meat. Yeah, go right ahead.
I think we're going to have to...
That's fine. Go back and forth.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, we're trying to figure out the best way to get these on the grill. And...
dealing with mass volume here.
Yeah, and then we said about, what, 325?
I think we're talking about 325 for
yeah,
an hour and a half.
325. We're doing a quick smoke. We normally would do 250, but we're a little tight on time today. We got a lot of things to film today. So this is going at 325 in the smoker. Okay, as you can see, our little train's taking off right there. Smoke is billowing out. I love this opening scene. It smokes up right away. That means everything's working good. All right, guys, so the big experiment we're doing, we were getting the wrong temperature reading. We're reapplying into one of the legs. It's cooking at a better pace. Some of these legs were on hot spots and they were skyrocketing temperature-wise. So we're just rotating it right now. And then we've been cooking for, what, 15, 20 minutes?
About that.
All right, so now we're gonna, ooh, look at blood, raw. Oh my God, everybody write comments, quick. Oh, hurry. So anyway, we're gonna spritz these now with our bottle of honey jack. So go ahead and spray that down because the seasoning's already on there, so we're not worried about it. Is it spraying okay?
Oh yeah.
All right, so we're spraying each leg. Okay guys, we've been spritzing every 10 minutes. Look how beautiful these look. These look gorgeous. So I would flip all of them and then give them a full grill spray. It's probably easier than doing each one individually. You've been so kind to do that. I appreciate your help.
Oh, this smells so delicious.
It smells amazing, guys. Look at this. Amazing. Look at that. He just lifted this thing up. It's dripping. Look at it, dripping. I mean, before he even sprayed it, it was dripping. These things are looking great. Look at how moist they are. Beautiful. These are closer to 170 in temperature. That means these babies are done. They've been spritzed 12 times, probably.
Oh God, yeah.
Yeah, they're just beautiful. Okay, so these took a little longer than we thought. About, what, 3 hours?
About 3 hours.
All right, so we're going to grab one and try it?
Absolutely.
You guys ready?
Let's do this.
All right, let's do this. Here we go. Oh, it's dripping.
Ready?
Lean over.
Mmm. Oh, wow.
Oh, my goodness.
Mmm.
This is amazing.
That seasoning is awesome.
Mm-hmm. Happy Super Bowl. Enjoy the game. Grab some of these and make them. All right? I love you. Say goodbye. Now say goodbye. He's not done yet. Say goodbye.
Bye.
There we go.
All right, everybody. We are starting a new show here. It's called Drinking with Jack.
Cut.
Drinking with Jack
Cut.
Daniels. We're doing shots, everybody. Shots, I tell you, shots.
All right, guys. So here's what's going on. There's so many great things going on. We got Super Bowl coming up. We have, or it's probably by the time you see this, it'll be like within days. And then we also have take two. I don't know what we're going to say. I'm trying to say.